Welcome to Lahore. Super quick service.
Kebab, plum chutney, mint chutney, raita, Afghani naan,
Dumba Karahi.
chapli kebabs, sheep chops.
Next level food. Hi guys, welcome to Lahore. Today I am at Shinwari Hujra in Johor Town, Lahore. Try the best wild west of Pakistani cuisine.
Here we go, plum chutney, mint chutney, raita and fresh salad. These mutton chops is the meat of mature sheep harvested between 2 to 3 years of age, prepared on the charcoal. And here is a bit spicy chapli kebabs. Now I'm gonna try these sheep chops with plum chutney, raita and mint sauce. Why not add a oval shape Afghani naan to enhance the taste. This Shinwari Dumba made in fact is looking flavorsome and delicious, and of course is a tasteful treat. Here is the most delectable sheep chop looking beautifully in red hot.
Afghani naan with the Shinwari Karahi. It's called Dumba Karahi. I already finished the whole Dumba Karahi. That's the last bit. No spice in this Shinwari Dumba Karahi. Amazing taste. All I can say, next level food from the wild west of Pakistan. I'm going to try this chapli kebab. This is a chapli kebab. It's a very unique big chapli kebab. Fantastic taste. It's a sheep chop. Straightway melts. It's a bit salty. No spice. And gorgeous smell. Really nice.
Finally, shabri kebab with mint leaves and small pieces of jaggery to digest the meal.
I tried Shinwari, Dumba Karahi and chapli kebab. I say one thing, when I finish my food, I don't say the food is really nice. My mind, my body, my soul say absolutely fantastic, gorgeous food. Super quick service, fantastic staff, really friendly, and we really enjoyed the Hujra ambience. Please show the Hujra ambience.